While some investors hedged against broader market pullbacks, institutional capital just poured $26.5 billion into a critical AI enabler. Korea's SK Hynix, a foundational player in the artificial intelligence supply chain, saw its US shares rocket 13% on their Nasdaq debut. This wasn't just another IPO, this was a powerful institutional signal. What happened? This debut, raising billions, demonstrates an unwavering institutional appetite for companies at the heart of the AI revolution. Why does it matter? It signals a profound re-rating of foundational infrastructure assets, especially those deeply integrated into the AI ecosystem. SK Hynix isn't just any chip maker, it's a global leader in memory, particularly high-bandwidth memory, or HBM. This specialized memory is the engine powering the most advanced AI accelerators. Now, here's where the value proposition gets interesting. SK Hynix holds a dominant market share in HBM, a segment critical for training large language models and running complex AI workloads. Their technology is directly integrated into NVIDIA's cutting-edge GPUs, making them an indispensable partner in the AI arms race. This isn't just a supplier relationship, it's a deep, symbiotic integration that provides significant earnings visibility. What changes next? This deep embedding strengthens their structural moat and insulates them from broader memory market volatility. The sheer scale of this $26.5 billion capital raise, against a backdrop of recent market pullbacks, implies robust internal projections. We are talking about sustained, aggressive demand for their HBM products. Why does this matter? It suggests SK Hynix and by extension, its peers, anticipate not just stable but accelerating demand trends. This capital injection isn't for maintenance, it's for significant capacity expansion and future innovation. What changes next? Expect this to fuel an aggressive expansion cycle to meet the AI industry's insatiable needs. Now, here's where the margin metrics become interesting. High bandwidth memory commands significantly higher average selling prices and, crucially, higher gross margins compared to traditional DRAM or NAND memory. Why does this matter? As the mix shifts towards HBM, SK Hynix's overall profitability profile transforms. This isn't just about revenue growth, it's about a structural uplift in profitability. What changes next? This margin expansion story is likely still being underappreciated by the broader market, offering a compelling reassessment opportunity for institutional investors. The next signal comes from management's capital allocation. This $26.5 billion war chest provides substantial dry powder. We anticipate SK Hynix's management will deploy this strategically to solidify their HBM leadership. Why does this matter? It funds aggressive capacity expansion, accelerates crucial R&D for next-generation memory, and potentially opens doors for strategic partnerships or targeted acquisitions within the AI ecosystem. What changes next? This proactive capital raise signals long-term confidence and a clear intent to dominate the AI memory market for years to come. Specifically, we expect capital to flow heavily into developing HBM4 and HBM5 technologies, alongside advanced packaging solutions that are crucial for integrating memory with CPUs and GPUs. Why does this matter? These are the next battlegrounds for AI performance and efficiency. Winning here means maintaining technological leadership and securing future design wins with hyperscalers and AI innovators. What changes next? Continued, focused capital allocation creates a powerful virtuous cycle of innovation, reinforcing market share and driving further demand. That leads us to the broader industry context. The global AI arms race is intensifying. From hyperscalers like Microsoft and Google building massive data centers, to nation-states pursuing sovereign AI initiatives, the demand for high-performance computing infrastructure is unprecedented. Why does this matter? This creates an insatiable, structural demand for components like HBM, making the semiconductor industry the foundational layer for this global race. What changes next? This macro tailwind provides a long runway for growth, unlike anything seen in previous memory cycles. Naturally, SK Hynix isn't alone in this space. Key competitors like Samsung and Micron Technology are also aggressively ramping up their HBM production capabilities. Why does this matter? While it signals a robust and growing market, it also introduces the potential for increased competition and, further down the line, concerns about potential oversupply if expansion outpaces demand. What changes next? Relative strength will ultimately come down to execution, technological leadership, strategic partnerships, and effective inventory management in a dynamic market. However, no investment thesis is complete without a thorough assessment of the risks. The memory sector has historically been highly cyclical, prone to boom-bust cycles driven by supply-demand imbalances. Why does this matter? While AI demand provides a significant mitigant, it doesn't entirely eliminate the possibility of future cyclicality. An aggressive build-out across the industry could, in theory, lead to oversupply down the road. What changes next? Investors must monitor capacity utilization rates and new fabs coming online for any early warning signs of market saturation. Another structural risk comes from geopolitical tensions and regulatory pressures, particularly the ongoing tech rivalry between the US and China. Why does this matter? Export controls, trade restrictions, and an emphasis on localized supply chains can disrupt global operations, impact market access, and drive up production costs. What changes next? Companies like SK Hynix must navigate these complex geopolitical waters, diversifying their manufacturing footprint and fostering strong diplomatic relationships to ensure supply chain resilience. Despite these risks, the forward outlook for SK Hynix and the broader AI memory sector remains compelling. The runway for AI adoption and capability expansion provides strong multi-year earnings visibility. Why does this matter? This visibility, coupled with the margin expansion from HBM, justifies higher valuation multiples compared to traditional, more cyclical memory plays. What changes next? Institutional capital will continue to reprice these assets for their structural growth characteristics, pushing valuations higher for consistent performers. The multi-year thesis here centers on the nascent stage of AI adoption across industries. New AI chip architectures, broader enterprise AI integration, and the increasing complexity of models are all driving an exponential demand for advanced memory. Why does this matter? Future innovation cycles will only amplify this demand, creating persistent tailwinds for HBM leaders. What changes next? Watch for key product launches from NVIDIA and other AI accelerator developers, as well as continued enterprise AI spending, as further catalysts for this sector. So, what's the tactical takeaway? The SK Hynix debut and its substantial capital raise are not just a headline, they're a powerful affirmation of the structural momentum in AI.linked semiconductors. Why does this matter? This sector continues to demonstrate robust relative strength and demand recovery, making it a focal point for institutional capital rotation. What changes next? Segments within memory, particularly HBM, Remain on breakout watch for sustained outperformance as the AI investment cycle continues to mature. Ultimately, SK Hynix's successful Nasdaq debut is more than just a company milestone, it's a crucial market signal. It reinforces the long-term investment thesis for foundational AI infrastructure and highlights where smart money is positioning for structural growth. Why does this matter? For sophisticated investors, understanding these macro and corporate shifts is paramount. What changes next? Don't miss our upcoming deep dives into other key players and sectors driving the future of the AI economy. Subscribe to SR Money News IN for institutional-grade market intelligence that helps you navigate these complex, high-stakes shifts. Your portfolio demands it.